Children, second method to find the zeros of the quadratic equation or to find the roots or quadratic equations or solution is what? Formula method. So we discussed standard form of quadratic equation. To start with, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 represents standard form of quadratic equation. What is the standard form of quadratic equation, children? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. Yes or no? Yes. Now it has two zeros. Yes or no? So formula method. What's the formula to find the two zeros? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the formula to find the two zeros of the quadratic equation. In polynomials we studied which are the two zeros, children? Alpha and beta. Yes or no? Alpha and beta. What is alpha, children? See here. Minus b plus under root minus b. Which are the two zeros? Alpha and beta. One is alpha, other one is beta. Which is alpha, children? See here. Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the first root. We studied in polynomial. But don't write alpha and beta, children. Which are the two roots of quadratic polynomial means you have to write minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Second one, beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, children. Don't write simply alpha and beta. Write complete formula. Alpha is minus b, one is plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, one is minus. Same formula. Once you have to write plus, second time you have to write minus. Plus 1 is alpha, minus 1 is beta. Understood, children? These are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Write this complete formula. Don't write only alpha and beta. Definitely it will come for 1 mark question in final exam or board exam. Understood, children? Yeah. Now come. What is the formula method? This is the formula. You have to remember. X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So write it here or keep it like that one. So what's the question? Yeah, find the roots of the following equation by formula method. X square minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. What the first question, children? X square minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. This is the first question. He has asked us to find the solution. See, children, now first method you cannot apply, factorization method. You cannot find the zeros by factorization method. Why? Split the middle term. 2 plus 2, 4. What 2? Minus 2, minus 2. Minus 4. Yes or no? Yes or no, children? But here 2 2s are not 1. So 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 2 2s are 4. Here it's minus 1. So factorization method does not work. Which formula you have to take? Formula method. What is that? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Yes or no, children? Yes. What are there in the formula? A, B, C. We discussed in the beginning. What the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. What is a value here, children? Coefficient of x square. Nothing is there means 1. B 4. Be careful while putting sign also. Minus 4, c is minus 1. Substitute here, children, in this formula. What is that? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. What do we get, children? What do we get? Minus b. What is b value? Minus 4. There is one minus in the formula and the value of b is also minus. Plus or minus b square minus 4 square minus 4ac. What is a value? 1, children. What is c value? Minus 1 whole divided by 2a. 2 into 1. Yes or no, children? Now minus into minus plus. What do we get? 4 plus or minus under root minus 4 square minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. Minus into minus plus. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 whole divided by 2. 2 into 1, 2. So what is our final answer, children? 16 plus 4, 20. 4 plus or minus root 20 by 2. I'll do one thing. I'll write it here. What is our answer? 4 plus or minus 16 plus 4, 20 under root 20 divided by 2. 20 is under root. 20 is not a perfect square, children. Factorize. What will get? What are the factors of 20? 4 into 5. 4 is a perfect square. So 20 can be written as 2 root 5. 2 root 5 divided by 2. Now take 2 common in the numerator. What will get? 2 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Cancel 2, 2. What are the 2 roots? X is equal to 2 plus or minus root 5. One is 2 plus root 5, other one is 2 minus root 5. These are the 2 zeros of this quadratic equation. Yes or no, children? Yes. Understood? This is the formula method. We will solve one more sum, children. What is that? 2x square plus x minus 4. Second equation. Second equation is what? We'll erase all these things. Not required. I've written formula. I'll keep it as it is. What the second question? In second formula, 2x square plus x minus 4. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. Understood? Come, children. What is a value here? A value 2. Coefficient of x square is a2. What is b? Coefficient of x plus 1. What is c? Minus 4. So what is b value? B value minus 1 plus or minus under root b square. What is b square? 1 square minus 4ac. 4a is 2. What is c? C is minus 4 whole divided by 2a. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Understood, children? From here I will continue here. Minus 1 plus or minus. You can skip many steps, children. You practice this, be thorough, then skip in the final exam. 1 square 1 minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32 divided by 2a, which is 2 into 2 4. What is our final answer, children? Minus 1 plus or minus 32 plus 1, 33 divided by 4. You cannot cancel denominator because there is no common factor. Yes or no? 33 is a perfect square. So, which are the two roots? One is minus 1 plus root 33 by 2. Second one minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Two zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Understood, children? So, I do one more sum. Then you practice. Any doubt you have, put it in the comment box. Any other sum or anything, or any other topic you want me to do? No topic is left here, only two methods. Any sum you have done, you can put it in the comment box. I will solve it. X square minus 6x plus 4. Third one. X square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Is the third question, children. What is that? X is equal to, what are A, B, C value? What is A value? 1. B value? Minus 6. C value? 4. What is that? X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC whole divided by 2A. Yes or no? Yes. So, what is B value? Minus 6. Minus of minus 6. Plus or minus. Under root? Now B square. Minus 6 whole square. Minus 4AC. 4 into A. A is what, children? A is 1. What is C, children? 4. Yes or no? Yes. So, 4 divided by 2A. 2 into 1. Minus 6 square. Minus into minus. Plus. Plus 6. Plus 6. Then plus or minus. If you write plus or minus, makes no difference. Minus 6 square, 36. Yes or no? Minus remains. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. Divided by 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2. What's our final answer, children? What the final answer? X is equal to 6 plus or minus 36 minus 17, 19. Yes or no, children? Yes or no? Yes. Square root of 19 divided by 2. 16 minus 7, 9. 2 minus 1, 1. 19 plus 17, 36. What are the two roots, children? X is equal to 6 plus root 19 by 2 and 6 minus root 19 by 2. These are the two zeros of this quadratic polynomial. For all these three sums, we applied formula method because factorization method does not work here because you cannot split the middle term. 3 2s are 6. Sorry. 2 plus 4, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 4s are, there is no 8. 5 plus 1, 6, there is no 5. Yes or no, children? So, when you cannot factorize, go for formula method. Formula method is easier. But many children say, no sir, formula method is difficult. If you ask me, formula method is the easy method to find the roots or zeros or solutions of the quadratic equation. Yes or no, children? Both the methods are over. We will go to the next topic. Our next topic is discriminant. Then we have one more, nature of the root. Chapter is over, children. Okay, we will go to the next topic. Children, our next topic, discriminant. What is discriminant? Discrimination, we say no. Our parents make discrimination between me and my sister, isn't it? If parents support son, your sister will fight that. Parents will make discrimination. They support brother. If parents support daughter, girl, the boy will, son will say, you make discrimination among me and my brother, between me and my sister. Yes or no? Discrimination is, layman's language, partiality. In this quadratic equation, Who makes discrimination? See, the gentleman who is under root. Who is under root here? B square minus 4AC is the discrimination. Why, children? It will cover our last topic. That's next topic is the last topic. That's nature of the roots. B square minus 4AC is the discriminant. You will decide nature of the roots, which is our next topic. Why? Because B square minus 4AC is under root. Here, there is no problem with B. There is no problem with A. B square minus 4AC is the one who makes discrimination. Is the discriminant who decides nature of the roots. What is that? We'll discuss now. Before that, who is the discriminant? Denoted by D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So children, I'll write this part, I'll keep it here. Minus B plus or minus under root B square minus 4AC whole divided by 2A. This is the discriminant. B square minus 4AC is under root. He makes the discrimination. Understood? Take for example quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6. Find discriminant. Find discriminant. 2 marks question, children. Very easy. You are lucky. One question will come. So, what is discriminant? B square minus 4AC. What is A value? 1. B value 5. C value 6. Here B square. What is B square, children? 5 square. Discriminant formula is what? B square minus 4AC. 5 square minus 4. A is 1. C is 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 24. 5 square 25. What is discriminant, children? Discriminant is 1. Greater than 0. Yes or no? Yes. So, discriminant is 1. That's it. Discriminant is 1 which is greater than 0. That is B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. Why have written greater than 0? There is a reason, children. There is a reason for writing that. Our next topic is also covered, I said. That's why I have written. I'll erase this. Now take another equation. This is first one. X square plus 4x plus 4. Find the discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4AC. What is A value, children? A value is 1. B value is 4. C value is also 4. What is discriminant? D is equal to B square. 4 square minus 4. A is 1. C is 4. 4 square is what, children? 16. Minus 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. What is discriminant, children? Exactly is equal to 0. Here what is the discriminant? Greater than 0. Yes or no? Yes. So take third equation. Take third example. If you have doubt, pause my video. Very easy topic. There is no doubt at all. Third one. Take another equation. What that? X square minus x square plus 5x minus 9. Minus 9. Roughly I have taken one equation which is equal to 0. Yes or no, children? Yeah. Now, what is A value here? A value 1. B value 5. C value minus 9. Yes or no? So, what is discriminant? D is equal to B square minus 4AC. What is B value, children? 5. 5 square minus, which is equal to minus 4. A is what? C is 9. Yes or no, children? Yes. See, and arrest this and keep only the answer. So, what is 25 square, children? Sorry, 5 square. 25. 4 ones are 4 minus 9, 36. 25 minus 36 minus 11. This is discriminant. Yes or no, children? Which is less than 0. Yes or no, children? Very interesting. Yes, sir. That's it about discriminant. Where b value b square minus 4ac. Our next topic, nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. Here see, children, first question, what is d value? Greater than 1. Second question, d is equal to 0. Third question, d is equal to minus 11, which is less than 0. In one case, d is equal to 0. One case greater than 0. D is equal to minus 11. So, he will decide now. We have got 3 different cases. So, now discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac will decide nature of the roots. Our last topic and next topic is what, children? Nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. So, nature of the roots. Small topic, children. Chapter is over. Then we have word sum. Nature of roots. Now we discuss, children. What is that? What did we discuss previous topic? Discriminant. What is that? D, which is b square minus 4ac. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, which will decide nature of the roots. Yes or no, children? Now, nature of the roots. Now, b square minus 4ac. Nature of the roots. Nature of the roots are what? There are 2 types of roots. Real or imaginary. Real or imaginary. Understood, children? Roots are real or roots are imaginary. Before that, I will take a small example. Children, what is square root of 4? We know 2. What is square root of 9? 3. What is square root of 25? 5. What is square root of 100? Square root of 100? 10. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now come to this. What is square root of minus 4? Square root of minus 4. Minus 4, question mark, does not exist. Square root of minus 9 does not exist. Square root of minus 16 does not exist. Square root of minus 100 does not exist. You may be wondering why. 4 is a positive number. We have square root 2. 9 is a positive number. 3 square root. 25, 5. All are positive numbers. But here, all these numbers are negative. So what? Negative numbers are integers we studied in the lower class, in the number system or number line. No problem. But where are these negative numbers? Minus 9, minus 4, minus 16, minus 100. They are under square root. What does it imply? It implies that none of these square root exists. Means square root of a negative number does not exist. Square root of negative number does not exist. From this, you might have got an hint that roots does not exist means what? Roots are imaginary. Yes, children. Roots are imaginary. We studied now previous topic, discriminant. This discriminant will decide. Understood? Roots are real. Real can be, what the condition for real roots? What the condition for real roots? This gentleman, b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. What the condition, children, here? B square minus 4ac Where is he? Is under the root in the formula. Yes or no? X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Where is b square in the formula method? Under root b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If it is less than 0, it will be negative. Number less than 0. So roots are imaginary. Roots does not exist. Why? Just now I discussed previously. What is that? Square root of negative number does not exist. Roots are imaginary. When b square minus 4ac less than 0. Dhamma, question gone. Is dead. Now roots are real. They exist. Imaginary means does not exist. Roots are real. What are the two? Again there are two conditions. See children, why I have taken two cases now. B square minus 4ac here less than 0. Only one condition. Roots are imaginary because answer is negative, which is under the root. Square root of negative number does not exist. Here I have taken two conditions. What are they? B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Yes or no children? See, I have taken two clear cases. What is that? One is b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Other case, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Yes or no children? Yes. Yes. So three cases, no? One b square minus 4ac less than 0, greater than or equal to 0, that is greater than 0, less than 0. In the previous topic only I said we have covered discriminant also. So quadratic equation is an easy topic, not easy, damn easy, scoring topic. You should not lose even in half marks. Even if you lose half marks, I will be the most disappointed person as a mathematics teacher. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. Distinct means they are different. We will solve sums based on this. Understand distinct and condition first. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are equal. Zeros are roots of solutions are equal. So that's the end of the topic, children. Almost we have come to the end of the quadratic equation. Next topic is word sums. You have to find the quadratic equation from the given question. Understood? Words. You have to derive the equation. From that you have to find zeros. For that you must understand all these basic concepts. That's why again I keep telling you that fundamentals, concepts, basics are very very important in mathematics. Once you understand, you can do just like this mathematics. I cannot do this from left hand, you can do it from left hand. Understood? So once again, finally, b square minus 2 is the discriminant. We will decide nature of the roots. Roots can be real or equal. Sorry, roots are real or imaginary. Roots are imaginary. What the condition? Discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0. Question finished. Gone. Dhamar. So roots are real. Then b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. There are two sides. Means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. I written separately. B square minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes or no children? Yes. Then roots are distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Condition b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Roots are real and equal. Condition b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Yes or no children? End of this, all the topics discussed. We will do three sums based on roots are imaginary, roots are real and distinct, roots are real and equal. Understood children? Next topic, solving three sums based on these three conditions.
Start.
Children, I told you three cases. What's that? Discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0. One case, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Second case, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Isn't it? We'll take an example for each one of these. X square plus 5x plus 6. Find the nature of the roots. So find the factorize children. We did now x square, split the middle term 5x. We take the help of constant term. 2 3s are 6, 2 plus 3 5. 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So what is this? X into x plus 2. Here also we should write x plus 2 children. Sign remains outside plus 3 is common. What are the one common factor is what children? X plus 2. Which is the other factor? X plus 3 is equal to 0. So what is that? X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 3. Yes or no? Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. What are the condition for these children? See, I can put this question in other way. Find the nature of the roots. If the roots are real, then find the roots. I found the roots. Now put the condition. What is that? B square minus 4AC. What is A value children here? A is 1, B is 5, C is 6. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. What is B? B square. What is B square? 5 square minus 4. A is what? A is what? A is 1. What is C? 6. 6 1s are 6 4s are 24. 5 square 25 minus 24, which is 1 greater than 0. B square minus 4AC greater than 0. Then what is the condition children? Go to the previous video. Roots are real and distinct. Distinct means they are different. One is minus 2, one is minus 3. Yes or no? They can ask other way around. They can change the question, find the nature of the roots, check the nature of the roots. If the roots are real, then find the roots. Understood children? See now, the roots are real and distinct. Root exists. If root exists, find them. First you have to do this, find discriminant, then find the roots. They can twist the question and ask like that also. Understood? Yeah. Now go to the second one. What is this? B square minus 4AC greater than 0. Now take an example for what children? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. What is that equation? X square plus 4x plus 4. Or you can take minus 4x also, no problem. Split the middle term. Minus 4. First take the number 4. It will help. 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Yes or no children? Take 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 2, 4. What 2? Here, you will decide. What should be? Minus. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus plus 2 2s are 4. What is this? X into x minus 2. What you should get here children? You should get the same factor. X minus 2, which is 0. Sign changes, outside minus, 2 take common factor. 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, 2 1s are 2. So, what is one common factor children? X minus 2. Which is other common factor? X minus 2. This is x, this is minus 2. This is one common factor. What is that? X is equal to 2, x is equal to, roots are real and equal. What the condition for the children? Condition for roots are real and equal is what? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. This condition they will satisfy obviously. What is A value? 1. B value minus 4. C value 4. What is B value children? B value minus 4. B square means minus 4 square minus 4AC. 4 A is what? 1. C is what? 4. 4 1s are 4. 4s are 16. Minus 4 square 16 is equal to 0. Condition satisfied, children. Yes or no? What did we get? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. For that, condition is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or the question will be like this. Find the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation. First you have to do this. If roots are real, find them. Roots are real, no? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 and they are equal. Condition also satisfied. 2 marks, children. 2 or 3 marks. Third one, what condition? Roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. What is the condition for the children? B square minus 4ac is less than 0. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. For that, what equation will take? X square plus 4x minus 9. Yes or no, children? So, what is A value here? What is A value here? 1. What is B value? 4. What is C value? Take plus 9. Take plus 9. I am doing ulta. First I am finding nature of the root. What is B square, children? 4 square minus 4ac. 4 square 16. 4 1s are 4. 4 9s are 36. What is the answer? Minus 20. Minus 20. What is that? B square minus 4ac. What did we get? Minus 20 less than 0. So, what is that? Roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. Yes or no? Yeah. Roots does not exist. Roots does not exist. Go to the, then you may ask, how is it possible, sir? Go to formula method. X is equal to factorization, not possible here. Because 9 is a prime number. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10, not 4. 9 minus 1, 8, not 4. Go to formula method. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Yes or no, children? Yes. Substitute the values. What is b value? 4. Minus is there in the formula. Minus 4 plus or minus under root b square 16. 16 minus 4a. What is a? 1. What is c? 9 divided by 2 into a. What is a, children? What is a value? 1. Minus 4 plus or minus under root 9 4s are 36. 1s are 36. 16 minus 36 minus 20 divided by 2 1s are 2. What is this? Minus 20. Yes or no? Square root of negative number does not exist. So, what is x value? Roots does not exist. Why? Roots are imaginary. Beautiful question. Yes or no, children? Because b square minus 4ac is minus 20, which is less than 0. Very interesting or not? Yes. This will definitely come for 3 marks. See, children, I put star mark. Star means important. 3m is not 3 minutes, 3 mark question. Where you find the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation, do this. If roots are real, find it. See, roots are imaginary, we proved it. Because same thing we did here. Under root, negative number. Yes or no? Yes. So, our next topic is over. Quadratic equation. Next, word sums. Solve quadratic equation based on word sum. Word sums are given, children. We have to find quadratic equation and solve. Our next topic.